Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fitness products that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Kuzaro ankle resistance bands with cuffs. This budget-friendly option packs a surprising punch with its versatility and effectiveness. These bands are designed for glute kickbacks, hip thrusts, and lower body workouts, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to tone their legs and hips without bulky equipment. With 3 adjustable resistance levels, 10, 20, and 30 pounds, up to 60 pounds. You can easily customize your workout intensity. The design features breathable mesh panels and ultra-soft neoprene ankle straps for maximum comfort, while the dual-layer safety sleeve ensures durability and prevents snapping. This lightweight and portable set can be used at home, in the gym, or even on the go, making it ideal for busy individuals who want to stay fit wherever they are. Plus, it comes with a storage bag for added convenience. While the Kuzaro bands are incredibly affordable and user-friendly, they might not provide enough resistance for advanced lifters or those looking for a more intense workout. However, for beginners or anyone focused on lower body toning, this product is a fantastic choice. It's safe, effective, and compact, perfect for Pilates enthusiasts or casual fitness buffs. At number 4 is the Vinsgear Ab Roller Wheel, a compact yet powerful tool for strengthening your core, back, and hip flexors. With a dual-wheel design that offers greater stability, this ab roller is a step up from the traditional single-wheel models. It comes with a knee pad accessory to ensure comfort during intense workout sessions, making it a great choice for anyone looking to develop their six-pack safely and effectively. The build quality is impressive, featuring a high-strength stainless steel shaft that supports up to 440 pounds. The EVA rubber cotton handles provide a non-slit grip and extra comfort, ensuring you can focus on your workout without worrying about durability or safety. Its portable size allows you to take it anywhere, making it perfect for use at home, in the office, or even outdoors. While the Vinsgear Ab Roller Wheel is excellent for targeting your core, it does require a bit of practice to use effectively, especially for beginners. Additionally, it's not as versatile as some other products on this list, since it focuses primarily on abdominal exercises. However, for those looking for a focused, reliable tool for core training, this ab roller is hard to beat. Taking the 3rd spot is the ProSource Acupressure Mat and Pillow Set, an innovative product designed to naturally reduce muscle tension, back pain, and headaches. Perfect for relaxation and post-workout recovery, this bed of needles stimulates nerves and releases endorphins, promising not only physical relief but also mental relaxation. The mat and pillow are made of high-quality materials, including 100% cotton and eco-friendly foam. With thousands of acupressure points, it provides full-body support, making it ideal for taller individuals or anyone looking for holistic pain relief. The set also includes a neck pillow to target pressure points in the upper body, enhancing the overall experience. While this product is not a traditional fitness tool, it's an excellent recovery accessory for athletes or anyone with a sedentary lifestyle. However, the sharp acupressure points may take some getting used to, and it's not suitable for those with sensitive skin. Still, for relaxation and muscle recovery, the ProSource Acupressure Mat and Pillow Set is a standout choice. In the runner-up position, we have the MQRW push-up board with a complete portable home gym system. This versatile product combines a foldable push-up board, resistance bands, a Pilates bar, ankle straps, and even an ab roller wheel, all in one package. It's designed for full-body workouts, targeting muscle groups like the chest, shoulders, back, core, and legs, with color-coded push-up positions that improve exercise efficiency. The build quality is solid, with lightweight yet durable ABS plastic that can hold up to 600 pounds. The compact design is perfect for home use or travel, and the included accessories allow for over 20 different exercise variations. Whether you're into strength training or Pilates, this system caters to a wide range of fitness goals. While the NQRW push-up board offers great value for money, it may not be as sturdy as professional gym equipment, and advanced users might find the resistance bands limiting. However, for beginners and intermediate fitness enthusiasts looking for an affordable, space-saving solution, this product is a game-changer. Claiming the top spot is the Edexity Smart Scale for body weight fat, the ultimate tool for those serious about tracking their fitness progress. This premium smart scale goes beyond simple weight measurement, offering full biometric analysis with 14 metrics, including BMI, body fat percentage, muscle mass, and even heart rate. The TFT display provides a colorful, interactive experience, showing personalized messages and progress graphs directly on the scale. One of its standout features is the VSync app, which syncs seamlessly with Apple Health, Fitbit, and Google Fit. You can set goals, track your exercise, and even log food calories, all while keeping your data secure with advanced privacy measures. Plus, with Alexa compatibility, you can check your stats hands-free. While the Edexity Smart Scale is the most expensive product on the list, its advanced features, consistent accuracy, and immersive app experience make it worth the investment for anyone serious about their fitness journey. It's perfect for home use and provides insights that traditional scales simply can't match. The only downside is that it requires a Wi-Fi connection for full functionality, which might be a limitation for some users. Overall, this is the gold standard in fitness tracking. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.